Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OneSignal for push notification strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for OneSignal. Press the enter key. Wait for the OneSignal homepage to load. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. On the sign in page, you will see options to log in. You can choose to log in using your email address and password. Alternatively, you can sign in using Google or Apple. If you choose to log in with email, enter your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Double-check your email and password for any typos. Once confirmed, click the Login button. If you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. After logging in, you will be directed to the OneSignal dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Here, you can manage your apps and notifications. To set up your push notification strategy, click on Apps. If you haven't created an app yet, click on Add App and follow the prompts. Once your app is created, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure various push notification options. Review the options for customizing notification settings. Make sure to save any changes you make. Explore other features such as analytics and segmentation. This will help refine your push notification strategy. Regularly check the dashboard for updates and performance metrics. This ensures you are making data-driven decisions for your notifications. Remember, consistency is key in your communication strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.